If you are involved in a dependency and neglect court case, you're probably feeling overwhelmed with all of the information that you're being given. I want to give you a brief overview today of what the court process looks like. If your child has been removed from the home, your first court appearance is going to be a temporary custody hearing, which will happen within the first 48 to 72 hours after your child is removed. This is a chance for you to contest where your child has been placed and also to provide information about family members who might be able to provide care. If your child has not been removed from your home, your first court appearance is going to be an advisement hearing where you receive a copy of the petition and the judge makes sure that you understand what's going on and what the child abuse allegations are. After that, within the next 60 to 90 days, you're going to have what's called an adjudication hearing. This is where the court determines whether your child actually meets the statutory criteria to be considered dependent and neglected. There's two options here. You can reach an agreement with the county, or you can have a trial to a judge or to a jury. Once the adjudication hearing is done, you'll have what's called a disposition hearing, and this is where the county proposes a treatment plan for you, and you have the opportunity to either agree to the treatment plan or to contest certain provisions of it. To me, this is one of the most important hearings during the process because the treatment plan is essentially what determines whether you have been successful or not. Once the treatment plan has been adopted by the court, you'll have review hearings every 30 to 60 days where the judge checks in to see how the case is going, what services have been provided, and whether any additional services are necessary, or whether placement of the child needs to be changed. At the end of the case, there's a couple of different options just depending on which way the case goes, what the facts of the particular case. The county can ask to terminate parental rights of one or both parents. The court can also enter what's called an allocation of parental responsibilities. This is typically done when there's a family member providing care for the child, and the court wants that family member to still have care of the child once the court case ends. The other option is for the court to enter orders. For example, if you're divorced, the court may change the parenting plan or decision making with your ex-spouse, and then the court will dismiss the case and close the case. So that's a general overview of the dependency and neglect process. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.